Here are my top tips on enhancing quality of your videos. Whether you're filming for a short video, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, this is going to be something you want. Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nyasha and this is Makeup a Difference. And if you're new, hello, welcome to my channel. I do mainly beauty videos, a bit of video production, and a bit of lifestyle. So if you like all these videos that you see, be sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you never miss any upload of mine. So these tips are for Instagram, TikTok, YouTube shorts, just long form video, whatever videos that you're doing, how to enhance your quality. Because a lot of people tell me that my quality is good, but I feel like I'm just not there yet. I feel like I'm 50%. I'm just like, you ain't seen nothing yet, okay? I love video production. I love color grading. I love it's like I get excited when it's time to edit my videos. Like I'm like, this is much as I like filming and recording, doing the makeup, doing my hair, vlogging. I love the video production. I love it so much. So I want to share with you some top tips maybe you could use. If you've not watched my previous video on how I film my content, I do go in a little bit further on what I do and whatnot. The number one simple thing that you should know is you gotta clean your camera. Number one, clean your lens. Whether it's your phone, whether it's your professional camera, you need to clean it. That's not with your clothes. Invest. If you wear glasses, I'm sure you get this little lens cleaner because they actually really, I think the fiber in them really, or a microfiber cloth is a good one. So definitely clean your lens because that's also going to just make your camera look good. Number two, avoid filming in 720p. I think if you want to get really good camera quality, start off with 180p from 30 to 60 frames per second. So 180p or 4K or 8K, because Samsung is 8K feature, but you know, and also learn where you're posting, if it compresses the quality of your videos. If it's too high, like TikTok for instance, it doesn't support 4K videos, so it compresses it and then the quality, and then you just get really low quality. And learn what to adjust also when you're posting, because on TikTok it shows you high quality videos. Even Instagram, make sure you go on settings, make sure you take the high quality video parts, because that part is important when you're exporting. I think Instagram does support 4K and YouTube, so it's important to know that 4K or 180p 60 frames per second. For me it's always 180. I know sometimes it may look like it's 4K, but it ain't. It's because I do other things. You know, I color grade. That is why it will look like it's 4K, but it's really not. I can film in 4K, but it just takes up a lot of space on my phone. I prefer 180p. It's just as good. If you want to use 4K, please do. 60 frames per second is the highest. What it does is basically the playback is more smoother. It's not laggy. Lighting, make sure you're filming where there's natural light. Also got, like, you know, soft boxes and 3 lights, actually 4 because I got one at the back. That's gonna change the quality of your videos. If you're filming where there's no good lighting, it's just not gonna enhance the quality of your videos. It's gonna look really cheap. Natural light is the best. The only downside to natural light is if it starts, let's say there's a cloud that comes on in front of the sun, it will mess up the quality. It changes. But with lights, you know, it's just gonna stay the same. That's why I use both, because then it's not gonna change. I get the best of both worlds. Then color grading. We spoke about color grading. If you still have not seen that video, I'm putting it right here, guys. So have a look at that video on how I color grade, because color grading is brightness, ambience, sharpness, contrast. So all that's gonna sharpen your video, because when I use, because I'm filming with a professional camera, that means it's in raw format. I've showed you how it looks before I color grade, and that you need to sharpen, you need to enhance. Making sure you also sharpen your video is important, but make sure it's not looking pixelized. There's apps now where you can enhance the quality of your videos. Like CapCut has that feature where you can put to HD or UHD. So that is tricky because sometimes it looks like a pixel animation. It doesn't look as good as it should be. But I think when it comes to a software that you pay for, like let's say my Wondershare, there is a place where you click auto enhance, so it just enhances the video automatically, and you can just choose how much you want it to enhance. AI is enhancing the video. Use AI if you need to. CapCut is free, but I think that's a pro feature because now they're making a lot of things pro feature. Also, now you've done all the sharpening, you've cleaned your camera, your lighting is good. Now you're exporting your video. So this is where I learned, especially when it comes to my long form videos. Every app has a bit rate. When you're exporting, you can Google what's the highest quality bit rate that is required on TikTok, that is required on Instagram, YouTube Shorts. I did that. That's changed because I've been using the same camera for a long time, and you've seen how I've enhanced my videos. That was the game changer. Amongst all those things we've spoke about, that changed how my quality looks, because I was like, wait, my video, it's been the same camera. It's not been a different camera at all. It's just I've learned how to enhance the quality of my video. So when it comes to YouTube long form on my software, it needs to be 20,000 bitrate because it wants to compress. When you're about to export, it will compress the quality if you don't make those changes. And this is all from learning, because guys, I told you I love video production. This is exciting, and you can never stop learning. It's set automatically on 10,000 or 8,000 bitrate. On CapCut, you have that place where it says 180p and 4K. Which one do you want to export to in? Before you just press export, don't just press export. Make sure you press the 180p and make sure it's either 180p or 4K, just depending where you're posting on and knowing which platform supports what, because you don't want to compress your quality. Then it's got frame rate, and it's got 50 frames, starts from 24 and 60. I always put 60. And I leave it at 180. And the quad rate, sometimes I just leave on recommend. Your bit rate needs to be the same as where you're exporting, which platform you are, like what's the highest quality, so you get those great quality videos. So I hope this video was helpful, guys, and it just gets me excited. Let me know what you guys think of this video, and I know it's like a lot of video science, isn't it? If this video was helpful and want to know if you want me to do a little bit deeper intel, I will do so. Let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.